Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, mag-unboxing tayo ng product na binili natin sa Best Buy kanina. So, this is the first kit na magkakaroon ako since nag-start na akong mag-vlog. Sa totoo lang, sobrang excited na akong makita kung anong nasa loob. At hindi ko alam kung maganda pa tong product na to. But I hope sana naman worth it siya. Kasi I bought this product for $99.99. After tax, it's $140 yung binayad ko sa kanya. So I hope maganda siya. But malalaman natin yan after a few days kasi eto na ang gagamitin ko. So tara na guys, buksan natin. This is so exciting. Let's open this. Oh, first, before ko siyang buksan, papakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung nasa harap ng box. So here you go. Ito yung nasa harap ng box. So yung product na to, ang pangalan is MobiFoto. And then yan yung nasa gilid niya. And then ito yung nasa likod. Makikita mo yung mga accessories na kasama ng product na to. So kasama niya ang smartphone holder, LED light, and then yung video microphone, and lastly is the mini table. Let's go ahead and let's start opening it. So yeah. So ito yung mini table tripod. So, makikita mo. Diba? So, nice. And then, here's the microphone. Hello? Hello? Can't you see? Beautiful when I see you in your eyes. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics. And then, yung USB. Here you go. And lastly, oh no, not lastly. This one. Yeah. Nakita niyo naman. Maganda siya. So, after a few days, malalaman natin kung maganda ba talaga tong product na to. And sana worth it yung pagbili ko nito. Kasi ito yung kauna-unahang kit na magkakaroon ako. So, that's everything guys. Thank you for joining me today. Have a fantastic Sunday everyone there in the Philippines and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye!